and welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have for you a JB style box. So JB style box is out of a company called JB and Me in Michigan. They have two pretty decent sized boutiques. I can't say they're small or big because I've actually never been there. I learned about this service from Angela Masson, who is a YouTuber and also lives in Michigan and actually visited the stores, and that's how she found out about it. So I just got the package and I wasn't thinking I was going to film, but I said, you know what, it's still a little light out. I have some time to film and I couldn't wait. I was like a 5-year-old. I broke open the boxes. I couldn't wait to see what I got. I do want to show you how they kind of put it together. It is so cute the way they did the presentation. Of course, I ripped it apart, but they have this pretty blue tissue paper and they put these little ribbons around the tissue paper and they create bundles that way. And then they actually give you all these like little photo cards so they can show you outfit ideas, and it is very, very cute. So I have to say the presentation of this is the best out of any style box there is. Now, I've kept in touch, this is my second box, and I've kept in touch with my stylist, Brooke. Brooke is my stylist, and she contacts me like pretty much every month. Do you want another box? Do you want another box? And honestly, their stuff's a little pricey because it is a boutique. And they have a website, so unless there's something I see on the website, I say no. And the reason why is that there is a $20 styling fee. So if there's nothing I see that I would want, I would not want a box. If there's only one item I'd see, I'd just order directly from their website. But if there's a couple items, I say, yes, send me a box. That way, if it doesn't work out, I can send it back, no problem. But I figured out a couple items. So let me show you what I got. First, it was something I requested, and I don't know how these are going to look on me. They might look terrible, but I was very interested in them. Are the Pistola Cassie straight leg. They're called Play Day. And she did size up to these because these are like no stretch. So they're size 26, and they're $119. So they're very old school. They have the folded cuff here, which I'm probably going to have to roll again. They have a distressed knee over here, which I'm not sure I'm going to like because it's more than distressed. It's completely open. But I'll give them a shot. I was interested in the style because they are a much looser style. They have a very wide leg. They're very old school, and they have the button fly here. They are a style that I was interested in trying. I'm looking at them now, and the rise seems enormous on me. So I'm not sure if these will work out, but I did want to give them a try. So I'm happy she was able to accommodate me. Next up, something else I requested, and these are the NickiBiki snakeskin legging in chocolate, and they're only $34. So they're kind of like I don't know, they're kind of like ribbed, almost like the Spanx leggings are. And there's a snake skin print that's very subtle. I don't know if you can see that. It's brown and black. And I don't have that much in brown. I just got the recent tan, or brown, I should say, leopard jeans. But in brown, I don't have much. And like I said, these are only $34. So if these fit, 34 bucks, I'll keep them. They'll be the thing that I keep out of my box. To go with that, which she put in my pretty little bundle, is this Z Supply Modern Weekend washed sweatshirt, and I guess it's in tan, okay? And it's $59. So not that bad of a price, and it's very cute. I like it a lot, and it would go with the leggings. My question is, though, it is very large and oversized. I'll have to see how it hangs on me and whether or not it makes me look pregnant. I won't feel cute if I look pregnant. Okay, next thing she sent is a piece of jewelry, and it did come very tangled, and it took me a while to untangle it. And I think I'm going to pass on this. It is a necklace it's a 3-layered necklace, and it has, it's tangled. Let's see, it has it's mixed metal, so it has like silver right here, and then the rest is gold with gold circles in between. The shortest layer has like these little diamonds hanging off of it, and the longest layer has a medallion on it. But I'll try it on with the outfits, and you'll see, and I'll try and untangle it a little bit more. Okay. Next up, something totally adorable. Love it, but I probably already know I'm not going to keep it. Is this RD style puff sleeve top. and it's in a gray thermal. And it is $56. So this is totally my style, totally me. I absolutely love it. They're like, Carolyn, why aren't you keeping it? Because I already got a gray thermal from the loft. See, granted, it's not puff sleeve, it's just a cowl neck, and granted, it's a tunic. But how many puffs? How many gray thermal tops should one own, right? So I do like it. Totally my style. Really cute. Probably will not keep it. Okay. Next up, something else I asked for is this NickiBiki mock neck turtleneck in chocolate, $29. Okay, it's something I wanted because I kept that tan jacket from Liverpool, and I thought this would be cute underneath. I thought it would be an alternative to the ivory, so I'm very happy to get that. All right, and that is it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Stay tuned for a try-on. Okay, first up are the NickiBiki leggings and the Zeep Supply tan sweatshirt. There is no fleece lining in the sweatshirt. It's really just I guess a thicker shirt, or yeah, just a knit, I would say. It has some seaming down the arm here, the drop shoulder, banded cuffs, and a banded bottom with a slit on the sides. And it is long enough to cover my butt for the leggings. The leggings are a dark brown with black, and I think this goes perfectly together. And I wanted to show you the card. She has it paired with a pair of leopard slip-on sneakers. And what they do is the items are all available in the store. So she didn't send the sneakers, but she did tell me which sneakers they were in case I wanted to purchase them. What do we think of this outfit? I don't have that much in the way of leggings, and I certainly don't have snake leggings, and I have very limited in brown. I don't know about pairing leopard with this, and I paired it with my boots. Here, let me pan down, and you can tell me whether this looks stupid or not. I'm not a sneaker girl. I don't own sneakers, so I paired them with my tan boots. Okay, you tell me, do I need to now go get leopard sneakers to match this outfit? Or do the tan boots suffice? I only have a pair of white sneakers and a pair of the gray wedges, which I recently got. But this is a good hanging out outfit. I have to look at the sweatshirt. It is oversized. I don't think it makes me look pregnant, but it is bigger and boxier and not as shapely as I am used to. But I think I kind of like it with the pants. So let me know your thoughts, or does it look ridiculous on me? And again, I have not seen the footage myself, so it's hard for me to judge. If you are a tall person, these NickiBiki leggings are good. There was a lot of extra fabric that I kind of had to hike up, but it's fine. It's around my waist. There's not much compression in these at all. They're nothing like the Spanx. So if you're worried about compression and being comfortable, there's none. Or if you want compression, there's none. They're just literally, almost like pantyhose, but thicker. Okay, next I'm dying to try on the jeans. Okay, next up are the jeans, and move this way, Pistola, and the, who's this, RD style top? I forget the name brand was at the top. Let's see. Yes, RD style. So I love the top, but unfortunately I won't be keeping it because I have a gray thermal, and I really try not have duplicates, even though this is a different style. This has the puff sleeves, and the one I have is a tunic and a cowl neck. I just feel they're too similar, both being gray thermals. The jeans are way too tight. They give me pancake butt. So yeah, they're tight in this area right here. They were pretty tight getting up on my waist too, and they're tight here, but they're really tight around this area, which tends to be my problem area. So no, I won't be keeping them. The style still isn't exactly what I was looking for. I'm looking for more of a looser thigh. These are very tight around my thighs as well, and I was looking for more of a relaxed fit around my thighs, and pretty much like the way it is on my calves. I do want that. And I don't want the rolls. I don't like the cuffs on the bottom. So I am looking for something similar, but these aren't quite it. So no to this. And then let me switch out the turtleneck, and I'll throw it on with the jacket I had in mind. So give me a minute. Okay, these jeans are so tight I can barely breathe. but I got now on the turtleneck, the mock turtleneck, and I had it in mind with this jacket. So this is like a poly nylon and is extremely form-fitting. So just so you know, NickiBiki is like a stretchy poly, I guess polyester brand in spandex. But I'm going to be not wearing skin-tight jeans, so you shouldn't see this muffin top so much. And I'll be wearing a jacket over it. So I think I'm okay with this top. It's you know, I think it was $34 if I'm not mistaken. And I have it paired with the necklace she sent, but you know, this is just okay. I like it, it's okay. It's just not my favorite. So the necklace will be going back. It has the 3 layers, you know, the gold with the little diamonds hanging. Then it has the middle one with the silver and gold beads, and then the gold circles. And then the long one, which is just a gold chain with a little circular medallion, okay? But I do like the brown mock neck with the jacket. And like I said, I kept on the jeans, and I paired it with my chocolate brown boots. I'll pan down so you can see the boots, okay? So, yeah, that's my outfit. Let me give you a full effect, and you can tell me what you think. All right. So the jeans will go back. I enjoy breathing, so these won't work. Okay, so what do you think of my box? What do you think I should keep? So far I'm leaning towards this top and the snake leggings. I'm not so sure about the tan sweatshirt that goes with it. I think it might be just a little bit too wide and boxy for my taste. I'll have to look back at the footage. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, why not? It doesn't cost you anything. I do shopping hauls, unboxings. I like to share my items, what I got with you. Hit the notification bell so you get notified of future videos from me. One thing I didn't mention is that unlike other box services, there's no discount if you keep a certain number of items. This is a small boutique out of Michigan. And like I said, I don't order anything. It is a $20 styling fee, which will get refunded to whatever I purchase. But I don't order anything unless I actually see things on the website that I might be interested in. That way, I'm kind of almost guaranteed of finding something and saving my $20 styling fee. Okay, take care, and until next time.